Okay guys, welcome back to this tutorial. And this tutorial I want to be talking about mathematical operators. So mathematical operators, you understand that like addition, subtraction, multiplication, modulus, and stuff like this. So for example, understanding mathematical operators, I don't think it's gonna be something that you're gonna be talking of in theory, but something that is practically everywhere. Whether you're doing it in your head or doing it in a paper, machine, whatever you're doing, it is something that is practical. And the first part of a machine or the computer program is whenever pretty much about when you're having mathematical operators. The calculation is what a computer is basically made for, and this is the purpose of a computer being developed. Whatever you do and whatever you do, but a computer is basically developed for mathematical operations and calculations. So like guys, let's start and say like we're gonna be talking about something different. Okay, like let me say I'm putting like an integer and say height. So my height is equals to 1.86 centimeters. So that's my height. Alright? But so I can run off and say my height is 180, 186, 186. Alright? So and say like printf say if, because we should be having this, if I step on a box, I will be percent d centimeters high. So we're gonna use this space here. So we're gonna be percent d centimeters high. Say it's gonna be height. Oh wait, height. Alright, so height plus, let's say my box is 20 centimeters, right? So that's a program. So whatever you're doing here, let's run this program so first and see whatever you're talking about, understand what it is. Too slow, but just bear with me for now so I can finish the tutorial from my first. So this is the prompt of the program. So if I step on a box, I'll be 206 centimeters high. So like my height was 186 centimeters high, and then say I'll add on 20 centimeters, and it's gonna be 206 centimeters high. So this is like a program. You can do whatever you want. Like you can do a subtraction, you can do multiplication. Of course, that is an asterisk, a special symbol above your digit number 8. You can do whatever we call like division. Use the forward slash for division. Yeah, we can just say and divide. We can also say you can use a modulus. So this is so much important. Like whatever you see a modulus is different from what we can see, because it looks like a percent but it's called a modulus. So a modulus is just well, before I explain, maybe let me just do this so they can understand what a modulus is. Taking time to respond, but I think here he is gonna give us a feedback of what has been prepared for us, because the compiler is too slow. Probably it's gonna pop up the right message you're expecting from it. Compiler is taking a lot of time to give us the tutorial enough time to be prepared. So if I step on a box, I'll be 6 centimeters high. So I think you can understand what is a modulus. So modulus basically gives you the reminder of what you have been preparing. like you're dividing. So whenever you divide 186 divided by 20, you know that 20 when I go into 180 give you what we call 9. So wherever you take out, you're gonna have 9. So what's the remainder? The remainder is 6. The more just give you the remainder. So we can try something different for that one maybe. Let's say you're gonna have a program and say like here I'm gonna give int x comma say x is equals to 5 and int y is equals to let me say 20, and this one I give you to 1 1. Alright, and say printf say percent d break to a new line. Alright, simple program that I would say here what we need is x, say divide by, say x divided by y. Alright, so it's 1 1 divided by y. So you're gonna expect a different output. And apart from that, try something else to say float. You say float let's call h, we like using I is equals to 1.0, and say I float j equals to 20.0, and say like gonna print and say like this gonna be percent d or percent f for this case, breakthrough line, and say here we need is I divided by j, and I close that straight line. So you're gonna see something different from what we have been expecting from the previous tutorials. So guys, here we're working what we call the end of the line. So whatever this program runs, you need to understand the difference between a float and an integer. You're gonna having different data that you expect to be an output. Well, for this case, whatever is gonna be is something different from what we're expecting to see, such as a result of whatever we are doing. Like this stuff, what the heck is that? Like gonna just use the this root boy here gonna be giving us an output, and this root boy here gonna be giving us a different output. That is the same 101.0 and 20.0, 101, 120. So whatever gonna give us, this bob boys here gonna be giving us different data that we're expecting to see something different from what we expect. So this is a different thing to understand a float and an integer. Wherever you're learning, since you started in mathematics, you've been learning that an integer is a whole number. So we don't expect to have a decimal point to a whole number. So see, to say that you're gonna give us a different term, we're gonna call it a float. So for the first, we're having 5. So you say 101 divided by 20 is 5. For sure, if you know mathematics, you explain that 101 divided by 20 is something like 5.05. Alright. So an integer for xy, for the first print function, we're having 5 because it is an integer or explain. So percent d decimal is an integer. For this kind, using a float. So float is one that gives us a room for decimal places. So you can see here they're having decimal places into a program. So percent d is a decimal places. So that's short, sweet, and enough to understand both mathematical operators, division, calculation, whatever you want to do is so much sweet, short, and smart, perfect for you to understand, easy to remember, easy to take on with. So guys, for now that is it, but let's meet in the next tutorial where I've been discussing about different things. We're gonna be talking about mathematical operators, functional operators, whatever comes in C and make mathematics look better, and discuss bigger programs in mathematics. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Let's meet in the next tutorial. Bye bye.